Now question number 33, a 20 kg mass which is moving with a speed of 10 meter per second. There is a 20 kg mass moving with a speed of 10 meter per second. With a speed of this, strikes a stationary mass of 5 kg. Stationary means which is at rest. It is at rest. Strikes with this. With what speed does the combined mass move? After collision, these masses stick together. Masses stick together, it means there is what type of collision? After collision, masses stick together. This is 20 kg and this is the 5 kg. You have to find the common velocity with which the system is moving. So see here, since after collision bodies stick together, therefore there is a inelastic collision. Inelastic collision. With what speed does the combined mass move? So from law of conservation of momentum, from law of conservation of momentum, so that you can see here, total momentum before collision will be equal to the total momentum after collision. What is total momentum before collision? It is only possessed by the 20 kg. It is clear? So 20 into 10. What is after collision? After collision, mass becomes 20 plus 5 into velocity v. So you can see 200 equals to 25v, means v equals to what? 8 meter per second. It is 8 meter per second. Now second part, what was the total kinetic energy of the system before collision? Total kinetic energy before collision. So it is only possessed by the block of mass 20 kg. It's clear? Because 5 kg block is at rest. So you can find 1 upon 2 m into v square. It is simply formula. It is clear? Here v does not mean that this v. इस v का मतलब ये नहीं है कि ये v. It is just formula. So 1 upon 2, mass is here 20 and velocity is how much? 10. So 10 into 10, that is 1000 joule. 1000 joule. Then you have to find the total kinetic energy after collision. So after collision, it will be of combined mass, which is moving with what velocity? With the velocity 8. So total kinetic energy after collision, it is equal to 1 upon 2 m into v square. Now mass is 25, velocity is 8 into 8. So when you will simplify, it will come out 25 into 8 into 4. So that is 800 joule. This is 800 joule. Then where has the remaining energy gone? So loss of kinetic energy. Loss of kinetic energy is, in the beginning it was 1000, afterwards 800, that is equals to 200 joule, and it has converted into what? It has converted into heat and sound energy. Heat and sound, because sound will also produce, converts into heat and sound energy into heat and sound energy. It will convert in this.